In this video, we will learn how to stream Crunchyroll on Discord. Let's get started. Here is my Discord account profile. If you don't have one, first create account with Google account. To stream Crunchyroll on Discord, let's go to Google and search Crunchyroll. Open first website. This website is about animation. You can watch animation movies series, play games and enjoy manga as well. Let's open Discord now. In your Discord server, click on General. Go down there. You can see that there is an option of screen share. Click over there. Here, you can choose an application or screen to share. I will go with this one. You can see here what you are streaming. We are streaming Crunchyroll. Streaming channel should be general. You can notify your friends that are sharing screen. You can choose stream quality from here. Choose a resolution or frame rate. Once you are all done, click on Go Live. You can see a screen start sharing. You can open this like on the full page. This is how you can stream Crunchyroll on Discord. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.